Hi, welcome to my channel Tech by Sensei Kushagra. In this session, we'll see how to set up private GPT using dedicated GPU. In my last video, we have seen how to set up private GPT using CPU resources. So why we need this setup now? Because running the private GPT using GPU provides several advantages. The one major advantage is speed and performance. So GPUs are designed for parallel processing and making them significantly faster for tasks like training or running LLMs. This means we will get quicker response and reduce latency when interacting with the documents using the private GPT setup. So let's start for today's session. So I request you to subscribe to my channel Tech by Sensei Kushag. So let's begin. So this is the GitHub repo for private GPT. I'll share this repo link with you in the video description. You can check that out. So from here, you can clone this repo. I have already cloned this repo here for demo purpose. Okay. And on this, let's scroll down, go open this README file. On this README file, if we scroll down, there is a link for documentation. If we open this link, we'll end up here for the introduction. Let's click on quick start guide. So here quick start, it will show you how to clone and go to that repo directory. In the previous video, I have shown you like how to run it using CPU resources with Ollama CPU, this setup. Right now we'll be using NVIDIA CUDA setup, okay, which will be using GPU resources. So for this, we'll be using Docker compose this command. So I have opened the repo in the IDE. So I'll show you this Docker compose file here. This is the profile for ollama-cuda. Okay. To run this, you can go here. You can open the terminal window. Okay. Go inside your repository where you have kept this code. You can run directly from here as well, like Docker compose hyphen profile ollama-cuda up, or from the IDE, you can run it through terminal as well. Once you run this, the command will pull some models, and on the Docker desktop, if you go inside the container, you can see this private GPT, and here these three containers will be up: ollama-cuda 1, Ollama, and private GPT Ollama. So we'll open this 8001. So this is the UI for the private GPT. Okay, for demo purpose, I have already uploaded two files. Let's upload one more file, life lessons. Let's select this one. So this uploading, I'll show you from the logs. So here you can see the file which we have uploaded, the embeddings has been generated. So what these embeddings are, the model is creating chunk of the data which we have uploaded, and it will store it in the vector DB. So you can see the ingestion of the file lessons has been done. We'll open to check what these files are. So this life lesson txt have few questions like value of patience in life, self-discipline importance, significance of gratitude. Okay, I'll copy this one. Okay, the two other files is about weathers and fitness questions. Okay, so likewise, you can have your own documents uploaded here. So let's try this out. So you can see these files are uploaded. Let me ask, what is the significance of gratitude? Okay, so you can see the gratitude foster appreciation for life blessing and improvements, and the sources you can see life lessons. So you can see how the quick response is. Let's ask, why does rain occurs? Okay, so answer is not, because we have selected life lessons. Let's select weather.txt and ask the same question. Why does rain occurs? So rain occurs when warm moisturize arise. Okay, so you are here, you can see this is, it is taking weather.txt into consideration. So you can try this out. You can add multiple documents here. You can also delete these documents. So simply select this file. So for example, let's delete fitness.txt, delete selected files, or you can delete all files. Let's delete this file. Okay, so these two files are now remaining. Try this setup. Let me know in the comment box if you like the video. Hit the like button. If you have any queries or some suggestion, feel free to reach out in the comment box. I'll try to answer. Thank you.